Here's an unboxing of the Xfinity Flex streaming device. It's 4K. So let's unbox it and see what came. We just ordered this
Xfinity Flex is your personalized streaming dashboard. It's powered by a 4K streaming device, voice remote. You can search less and watch more at no additional cost. You can search across multiple apps. It comes with a voice-activated remote that's backlit. Just talking to the remote, and it will take you to where you want to go.
So this came very, very fast. Look what we have. Press play. Welcome to the new world of wireless TV. Happy unboxing. Xfinity. Inside, we have the streaming device here, as you can see. This is the Xfinity Flex device. Look like a little spaceship, nice and square. We're going to sit there on the side. But next we have need to return equipment. Just go to the Xfinity store. And we got a getting started setup guide. Basically it tells you what should be in the box. It should be an Xfinity Flex TV box in here, a HDMI cable, a remote with 2 batteries, and a power adapter. And they also have the setup in Spanish here. If I get my fingers together, Spanish. So let's see what we have. There we go. Look at that. So there we have the voice remote right here. We have the HDMI cables. And we have the power cord here. Also, I guess this is the instruction manuals here. No, this is a video you watch to show you how everything is worked. So, alright you guys, we got everything hooked up there. As you can see, we have our Ethernet cord here, HDMI cord, and the power cord. And we have that going to the back of our TV set. So now let's walk around. You guys, it's a little tab on the back. Make sure you pull that tab out so you can activate the remote. As you can see, the remote has lit up. So let's begin. Here's a little circle here. And you see the remote, you have all your buttons on there. Let me try to focus in on that for you guys. There we go. TV input, power, volume, channel, Xfinity logo, your buttons there, and the arrow key. Before you program the remote, make sure that the box is in view there, so you can see. Next, we're going to press the button here. As you can see, I'm going to choose English. Okay, just a moment. Please verify your phone number. Let's do that. And once you put in the last 4 digits of your phone number, you'll see this screen. Now you just select the location using the remote. And I'm just going to say this is our living room. And then that's that. Let me hit that. Your device successfully named. And we're going to hit the circle here right in the middle. Optimizer for surround sound. Optimizer for HD video. Optimize for HD video. We're just going to say yes. I'm pretty sure we can go back later and change it. Xfinity is coming in now. Alright you guys, it says hold Xfinity and info button for 5 seconds. So we're going to do that. There's the Xfinity button and the info button. We're going to hold that for 5 seconds. Light has turned green. Complete the pairing by entering the code above. And you just say yes. Type the 5-digit code show above. 1 2 7 3 1. Now it says you are all set. And let's see, let's press volume and see, does this control the volume? This backlight remote. Okay, here's volume. Yep, there's the volume on my TV set being controlled. Nice. Now we're going to say it works. And say not now. Connected to Wi-Fi, which I am plugged in directly. There we go. Let's get started. Sign into your apps and start watching. Let's look around the interface a little bit. It's got Free to Me, Live TV, New Music, Today. Oh man, just turned this TV into a smart TV. You got YouTube, Explore, Stars. Yep, basically just turned this TV into a smart TV, just like that. Live TV. You got different apps, popular, Netflix, YouTube right there. So let's see if YouTube working. Okay, info to learn more. There's YouTube. We're going to use YouTube signed out for now. There we go. Let's see what's going on here. Let's look up. Oh yeah, there, Kobe Bryant. R.I.P. to Kobe Bryant. Let's look up Real Nesters and see what's going on with them. As you guys know, we are the Real Nesters. So we're not signed into YouTube right now. We just going straight from the dome. NESTRS. So if you guys want to, subscribe and follow our channels there, you could definitely do that. Real Nesters. So let's go and look it up right now. Real Nesters. Let's do a search. Let's see. There we go. James and Crystal. Right there. James and Crystal on YouTube. Man, this is AJ. Okay. Past video montage. Let's see. Let's turn the volume up.
Guys, got something special for you. As you can see, I'm in the lab right now. I'm working on a video montage for you guys.
And you can fast forward it. Yep. Nice.
Back in my day, they remember, I don't know, remember they used to put the razor blades in his candy and stuff.
Yep, YouTube is definitely working. So this is it, guys. This is Xfinity flat system right here. The sample right here of live TV.
On the flip side, Michael, what would you like to see happen over the next 3 days?
I'd like to got different channels here.
Actual factual argument and defend the president.
Preview channel. We got movies. We got on demand. NBC News.
And can inform the public. And then I hope we hear from witnesses. Look, I don't know what Bolton's going to say.
Oh, you got to hit the menu button, menu.
I know that we need to know.
And that will take the main screen off.
Then all it's going to do is further upset Democrats and Republicans. It's going to further divide the country, and we're never going to be able to hold the president accountable. And all we're going to.
Okay, we got the apps, we got the menu. What else we got? Free guide, free movies. What's under free movies?
With Xfinity Flex, you'll be able to stream more than 10,000 free movies and shows, access premium subscriptions like Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, HBO, Showtime. The Xfinity Flex device is free to all current Xfinity internet customers. The best way to get Xfinity is simply go to the Comcast site and order it. It'll be there in 2 days. Binge on all Netflix, Prime Video, HBO, Showtime. Keep up with music, news, and weather on Pandora, iHeartRadio, NPR One, and Cheddar News.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video unboxing. This is the Xfinity Stream. Xfinity Stream Flex device. Thanks a lot.